Hi guys, welcome back. And today the market's down. I think it's because of what Trump said. He tweeted something like, after the election, I'm gonna make sure stimulus is out after the election, which is kind of crazy that he actually said that. Also, the government's coming after the big four companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, and what was the third one? I think it was no, it wasn't Microsoft. They're not actually coming after Microsoft, which is crazy. But they're coming after those big tech companies, and they're trying to break them, and they're calling them a monopoly. So I don't know what's gonna happen with that, and I think that those big four companies are going, what's called down right now. So it might be a chance to buy uh, Google, Apple, Facebook, and Amazon if they actually go down a lot. But they're actually doing pretty well today. So I'm gonna buy my usual stuff, but this time I'm gonna buy more heavily into IVR, more heavily into the real estate stocks, so I could like build up my real estate position because the real estate stocks they're down right now, and I want to build it more because last week you saw me buying more into Zygna and Unity software and building up my growth stocks, but this time I'm gonna start buying into IVR, Two Harbor, MFA, and Hallmaker, since those are my big real estate stocks that I plan on holding until at least 2 years, 3 years from now, and I'm gonna make a huge return on them 2, 3, maybe 5 years down the road. Once they go back to like $18 for IVR, for MFA like $6 to $7, and for Hallmaker, I think it was at 14. No, it was like at $18 before March, which is crazy. So I'm gonna be investing heavily into this. Also, there's a new stock I'm looking towards that I'm actually doing some research on. Is Luna. So I'm gonna make a whole video about Luna. But right now, Luna is a fiber optic company that helps with crash testing. Like, you know how car car companies need to what's called evaluate how their car is gonna handle in a car crash. Yeah, Luna actually does fiber egg and car crash testing like that, and they also do airplane testing for like when how to help airplanes deal with crash damage and stuff. So I'm gonna do a whole video. I was like reading into Luna so bad, like so much. It was like crazy. Like I said, they have the chance to help Tesla. I mean, they have the chance to help the electric car companies. So there's a huge new what's called market just for that they could dominate, and then they could what's called become like the first player in that market too. So while the EV market's rising, Luna could be rising with them, since they're gonna help the EV market with testing and stuff. So I'm gonna talk about that later in another video. So if you're interested in Luna or interested in the stock that might 5x, 10x in the next 5-10 years, you should definitely like, subscribe, and comment what if you're gonna buy. So let's go into the buying part. So right now I only have 3,300 in this account. So I'm gonna buy. I deposited like $400, so I'm gonna be like investing $400 this week. Don't ignore this $800. It always does this. It did this last week. It's margin. I don't like margin, like I said. But let's go into the buying. First, I'm gonna buy IVR heavily. No, I don't want that. I'm gonna buy. Let me see. I could buy all of it, but I don't want to just buy all of it. So if I do the math right, if I buy IVR right now and I buy like 100 shares today, right? And let's say 2 to 3 years when everything's back to normal and the real estate market is going back up, and let's say it goes back to its March peak or March numbers around, which is like around $18. If I buy 100 shares right now for like what 100 shares, it'll be around $200-300. I'll be making around let me see, 100 shares times $18, around $1,800 for just by investing what $200-300. So that's a huge return on my investment. But I do want to divide it, and I get the dividends from IVR, which was before this whole thing. It was like $2 a year, or like around 25 cents per quarter. No, it wasn't. It was like 50 cents per quarter, which is great. So if they go back to their dividends, and let's say I have like 3,000 shares, I'm gonna be getting paid around $4,000 to $6,000 per year just off the dividend of IVR if I build it up larger. So right now I have around 1,000 shares, I think a bit over 1,000 shares, since my Robinhood account has like 598 and my webull account has 559. So I'm gonna build that up. I'm gonna build 2 Harvard, and I'm gonna build MFA. MFA had a dividend of, well, let me see, I think it was a $1.70 or something like that, which is also good at the price right now. I'll be making a lot of money off dividends, and I'll be making a lot of money off the growth of the what's called real estate stocks. So yeah, let's start buying in. I'll be buying. I want a lot actually, since I'm buying heavily into these real estate. I'll buy around 70 shares. Yep, 70 shares. That's around $200. So let me see. I'll buy. Do I want to buy a Hallmaker, or should I want to buy MFA? Recently I've been buying more MFA and 2 Hybrid instead of Hallmaker, but because Hallmaker is the only real estate stock that doesn't really pay out dividends. Hallmaker is more like a what's called insurance stock for real estate, I guess. So let me see. I'm gonna buy more of MFA. Just I don't know. I'm gonna just buy a little of MFA actually. Just increase my position a bit. I'll buy some more 2 Harbor. And I'm gonna buy some more IVR. I love IVR. I was looking at IVR, and they have a good what's called asset to liability ratio, which is pretty good actually. What was it? I think it was like, I can't remember, but I might actually do a whole video on IVR if you guys want me to. Let me see. I am gonna buy some Hallmaker. Just 7 shares. And I'm gonna buy. Listen, guy, I gotta tell you, I'm gonna actually buy. Let me see. I'm gonna actually buy Luna. Luna was the stock that I want. I'm gonna just buy a couple. I'm gonna just start my position in Luna by buying like 5, and then I'll buy Zygna. It kind of feels like a shopping spree. I don't know. Each time I'm buying stocks, it feels like a shopping spree. Like I'm shopping for stuff. But and let me see. Can I buy? I'm gonna buy 1 share of Unity. Just one. I just want one. One. Give me one. Yep. Ah shit. Never mind. And I'll buy 1 share of the rest on IVR if I can. Yeah, let's go. IVR. And shit. Let me see. Never mind. Let's buy 7. Can I buy 7? Yeah, I can buy 7. Let's buy 4. Can I buy 4? Yeah, I can buy 4. Now let's buy 3. Can I buy 3? Yes, I can buy 3. Can I buy 3 more? I can buy 3 more. And that's gonna be it for this video. So now I'll have, if the orders go through, let me see. Oh yeah, it's not 9:30 yet, since the market officially opens at 9:30. But right now I just placed orders. So throughout the day, after 9:30, webull's gonna fulfill these orders, and yeah, I'm gonna have my position in those stocks again. So let me see. Yeah, that's it for this video. Tell me what stocks you guys are buying. Tell me if you're gonna buy the same stocks I'm buying. Tell me your gains, your losses. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and that's it for this video. Peace.